Hi, welcome to Rice Cooker Adventures. Today we're gonna make tuna mac. So we have some pasta. I chose rainbow twirls. And so what we're gonna do is just pour them into the rice cooker. I'm just gonna eyeball it. I think you're supposed to use like maybe a cup, but I just filled it up to the 1 cup line. And then I added some water. And then I just kind of poured until I thought it was enough water. So what the rice cooker does, it just kind of like evaporates the water, so it should cook the pasta. So just kind of stir it a little bit and then close it up. I use the quick method, press start, and you're good to go. And then I started boiling some frozen edamame. I don't have a stove at the moment, so I'm just using an electric kettle. As I sped up the video a little bit for now. Boil, boil, boil. Still going. And then you just pour it over your frozen edamame. Let that steep. Now we have some hijiki seaweed. We're also going to bloom this a little bit in hot water. What that means is you're just going to pour some hot water over it, and then it'll basically rehydrate. So get your remaining hot water and then pour it on there. There you go. Yep. 15 minutes later, you'll see your pasta has been boiling. So give it a little quick stir, just a little bit. It seems to be boiling pretty well. Keep stir, stir, stir. We have people laughing outside. Okay. And then you open it up. After a minute, you'll see it's good to, it's done, right? That looks like pretty good pasta. Stirred a little bit. It stuck to the bottom a little bit, but not too much. So right before the 1 minute time, it was done. So I stopped it, and then it was done. So now all you want to do is let this cool until it comes to room temperature, and then we can add our other ingredients. I just kind of kept stirring a little bit more because why not? Then once it's at room temperature, get your tuna and, of course, your mayo. And then I washed and drained the edamame. I also washed the seaweed a little bit. I poured it all into the rice cooker. And then all you have to do is just mix. And then after you mix it, you'll see it looks like this. And it gets better with time, so you can eat this right away, or if you just put it in the fridge, it'll taste a little bit better. So all you have to do is cover it up. I cleaned it up a little bit. All I had was foil on hand, so I used foil. Feel free to use whatever you want or whatever you have at hand. So you just kind of crimp, 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 foil, foil, foil. And then all you're gonna do is stick it into your refrigerator for a few hours, as long as you want, really. After it's done, after a couple hours, brought it out. That's what it looks like. You'll see that the pasta has absorbed a lot of the mayonnaise, a lot of the flavors, and it is really good. So you can also just serve it on a bowl, or I served it with kale. Now, you don't have to serve it with kale, but I personally love kale. So don't judge me. So just pour that onto your bowl as much as you want. Now I just kind of kept, spooning it. It was kind of difficult with like filming with one hand, but I did my best. So you just keep spooning it over. I couldn't decide when to stop, maybe now, but then I kind of felt like I should add a little bit more, just so it looks a little bit better. Just keep pouring. And there you have it. tuna mac with edamame and seaweed. Now, I also added some lemon pepper because you can never go wrong with lemon pepper. Pour a little bit over, and voila, you are done. Now for some picture shots. Thank you. Thank you for coming and thank you for visiting our channel. Have a great day.